Hey guys, rain is another day coming to in our land. Land. So every week rain is coming to earth, land. So if rain is coming, I don't go anywhere because water is adu shaman. Adu body, power body, adu shaman. So if I go to anywhere, water is dew, lots of dew in water. So I don't go anywhere. And big problem is if Zure rain is coming in this earth, current is totally going. If some batash is foo, then current is going to the her house. So yes, I have lots of feeling hot. Yes, rain come, but not a big budget rain. Small budget rain is coming to our earth, then weather is cool. So I adjust on this monsoon. So last point is rain is coming to this land every week. Rain is coming to our home, but she is not coming to my life. What is this? Kopal is totally grill, tandoori. My kopal is totally grill. Oh, restaurant have lots of recipe, grilled chicken, tandoori chicken. My kopal is totally grill. I have lots of kopal pura in my life. So this is our weather report. Lots of rain is coming to our home, our land. So if big budget rain coming to earth, don't go anywhere, stay in home. Thank you.